5 outfit mistakes that quietly kill your first impression with women. We're talking everyday stuff, fit, footwear, details you'd never think twice about. Every single one has an easy, affordable fix. Let's start with the one that changes everything. Number 1, fit tee is everything. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Baggy shirts, droopy jeans, or hoodies that swallow your frame don't read as chill. They look like you just grabbed whatever was clean and called it a day. Women spot this instantly. The first thing they notice: shoulder seams sliding off your arms, sleeves hanging past your hands, piles of fabric around your waist, or pants bunched up at the ankle. All those little signals add up to one big message: didn't try. And honestly, it's not about being a model. It's about showing you care enough to wear clothes that actually fit your body. I'm not gonna lie, you don't need a new wardrobe. Try one size down or spend $20 at a tailor to nip in a shirt or hem your pants. That one tweak can make a $30 shirt look like it costs triple. The fastest upgrade you'll ever make, and nobody has to know your secret. In second place, shoes and socks do more first impression work than most guys realize. Here's the thing nobody tells you: women often glance down before they look up. Scuffed sneakers, dirty laces, or worn-out soles are like a neon sign that says, "Didn't check the details." Dress shoes with that old square toe feels like a time machine back to 2003, and nothing kills the mood faster than bright white gym socks peeking out under dark trousers. It's a jarring break that makes your whole outfit look thrown together, even if you tried everywhere else. The fix? Keep 2 or 3 pairs of clean, neutral shoes in rotation. Think white or black sneakers, brown or black leather for dressier days. Swap out those old socks for dark no-shows or classic black crew cuts. That's it. No need to buy a closet full of expensive footwear. Just a little attention down there, and you'll look like you actually planned your outfit without saying a word. Number 3. Wrinkled and worn-out clothes send the wrong message before you even open your mouth. Here is the thing nobody tells you. It does not matter if your shirt costs $30 or $300. If it is creased, pilled, or the collar is stretched out, it just looks like you gave up halfway. Women notice this in seconds. A faded tee or a pair of pants with saggy knees reads as tired, not chill. Even a pressed basic shirt looks sharper than something expensive that has seen too many spins in the dryer. The fix? Hang up what you want to wear tomorrow. Hit it with a steamer or a quick iron. It takes 5 minutes. Tops, spot check for stains, and swap out that one favorite tee if it is looking rough. You do not need to toss your whole closet. Just start with the pieces you wear most and replace them one at a time. It is the fastest way to look like you actually care. No shopping spree required. Number 4. Dressing for the wrong occasion is the silent deal breaker nobody warns you about. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Even if your clothes fit and look fresh, showing up in a full suit to a chill coffee date or rocking a faded tee at a nice dinner makes everyone a little uncomfortable. It's not about fashion rules. It's about reading the room. If you overshoot, you feel stiff and out of place, like you're interviewing for a job that doesn't exist. Undershoot, and it feels like you didn't even check the vibe. The sweet spot? Clean dark jeans or chinos, a fitted plain shirt, and shoes that aren't beat up. That combo works for almost anything: coffee, dinner, casual drinks. And here's a pro tip. When in doubt, it's always safer to be a little bit overdressed. You'll look like you thought ahead, not like you just wandered in. That's the kind of effort women actually notice. And finally, in 5th place, grooming that doesn't match your outfit is the silent deal breaker nobody talks about. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You can wear the sharpest clothes in the room, but if your hair, beard, or nails look like you forgot about them, the whole vibe falls apart. Women pick up on this right away. A fresh shirt with a shaggy 3-week-old haircut, or crisp jeans with a beard that has grown wild around the edges, just sends mixed signals. It is like your clothes say, "I tried," but your grooming says, "I gave up." Nail condition matters too. Chewed up, dirty, or jagged nails are noticed in seconds, especially if you are talking with your hands. The fix is honestly simple. Book a barber every 3 to 4 weeks, even if it is just for a cleanup. Take 5 minutes every few days to run a trimmer along your beard edges and neckline. Keep your nails short and clean. No need for a fancy manicure, just a nail clipper and a quick scrub. The goal is not perfection, it is just looking like you are aware of the details. That is what makes an outfit feel intentional, not accidental, and that is the kind of effort that actually gets noticed. Here is the thing nobody tells you. Effort is what stands out. Across every mistake, intention beats expensive brands. Looking sharp is about giving a damn, not breaking the bank. Simple as that.